I'm making food. This is video evidence in case you don't believe me. It's the most nutritious thing I've ever eaten. It's hot cereal. I'm supposed to boil water. I put it on the stove. I've just been pointing at it and telling it to boil. I think it's working because it's getting hot. I don't know if the water's boiling yet, but I've prepared the cereal powder ahead of time because I'm intelligent. Also, not sponsored by Cream of Wheat. I just said something stupid. I just said the water's sparking. What I mean is the water's boiling. That's really hot now. Cool. It's boiling. And turn the stove down. Burnt my finger. Take that, you stupid water. This has to gradually add in cream of wheat. I just failed miserably at doing that. This is not how you gradually add things. This is not a food tutorial. This is a documentary. Spilled boiling water all over the stove and burnt the crap out of my finger. It's all red now. I'm gonna cut to me actually finishing this. Okay. The entire half a cup of cream of wheat is now in the pot. And, what do we do next? Reduce heat to low. Oh wait, you have to well blend it first. Become well blended. Also, turn heat to low. Become well blended. That's some thick cereal. Okay, now what do we do next? Return to a boil. Reduce heat to low. I'm confused. Simmer, uncover until thickened, stirring frequently. Cool slightly. Return to a boil. Reduce heat to low. Cool slightly. Salt, optional. I'm very confused by this. I'm supposed to stir it with it boiling, but also on low, and cool slightly. This is the most contradictory instructions I've ever, the only instructions I've ever read. I haven't made food before. I can cook. It's official. I just spent like 10 minutes cooking efficiently as I tried to film it. Oh, what am I doing? I'm eating super thick, non-chewed required nutritious cream of wheat because iron and calcium. Also, I split my lip, so I can't chew things because I also knocked my teeth loose. So, food. It's thick. I've stirred. It's done stir. I think. Hey, cooking tutorial. This is how you turn off the stove so you don't burn your house down. have an eating implement. Oh. Also, it's bubbling. And I'm not sure if that's because of the sodium bicarbonate or not. Anyways. This is really hot. Let's move it over. Ow. That was really inefficient. This doesn't transfer food well. I should just use the spoon instead of this rice scooper. Hang on. Before that drips everywhere. Oh, I just missed it. I cleaned up this part that dripped. This is taking too long. I'm gonna cut to me actually finishing putting this. Also, let's note how stupid this is. This box doesn't reseal. And it was stored in the cabinet, just on its side like that. So when I took it out, I poured it all over the floor. R/A whole design. Okay, it's official. I can cook. I've just made oatmeal with wheat instead of oats. Cool. Bye.